Software as a service has been really creating a lot of buzz in the market, and there are a lot of promises associated with it, whether it's from an efficiency standpoint or cost-cutting standpoint or any of that. So the real question is, how does it apply to the business intelligence world? Now, so I'll touch on a few aspects from a BI SaaS standpoint. One aspect is it's not like SaaS has really come into foray now, right? It's been there for several years with application as a service and various models, whether it's architectural or front-end enabled. It's been there. Now, really what has happened is a lot of things are coming together, whether it's the maturity of the whole governance process and the model and so on and so forth, whether it's the technology components or the overall architecture stack. So in a BI world, a couple of examples. So one is reporting is a very good area where you can talk about the core set of reports, business reports being consumed from a SaaS model, or dashboards and KPIs and metrics being published with company's data, so that you don't have to spend time in processing it and publishing it, and you can really leverage that. So reporting is a key aspect that one can look at. The other is data integration and integration as a service. So I can talk about quite a few data sources coming together, and then take a service view of this, and then look at integrated data output coming in to provide intelligence. Then from an OLAP analytical analysis standpoint, there are models that you can look at. So there are multiple aspects that you can look at in terms of the overall BI SaaS. Other angle to look at it is, again, market research. So there's wealth of information that is there outside the enterprise. These have to be brought in to really provide a compelling business decision making aspect. So a lot of your textual data or market research aspects can be looked at from a information as a service or a BI as a service model. So there are multiple angles to it. So it is not limited to technology alone, and firms like Mahindra Satyam really bring the wealth of experiences in not only just looking at it from a technology standpoint, but also from an architecture standpoint, from a consulting angle in terms of how do I enable it in terms of the overall process. So whether it's governance, the policies, the model, how the whole life cycle is going to work. So I encourage you to look at Mahindra Satyam from a SaaS delivery standpoint.